What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on the Z06. Today we are getting my Hooker BLACKHEART axle back exhaust. This has been a long-awaited item that I've been looking forward to. We're going to be installing it tomorrow just due to some time constraints today. But as you can see here, we have the box for the axle back. So let's go get this unboxed. You get two full exhausts, obviously, axle back. You get 4 clamps. You get their bracket that has some adjustability so you can get your tips straight. One thing I hate about Corvettes, a lot of the time the tips are all kind of wonky and it really kind of throws off the look of the car. So to be able to have your tips lined up straight is huge. Also, that's pretty freaking cool to be seeing next to your tips on the car. I'm probably going to try to polish this up so it matches the tips. So stay tuned on that. I really like that it's a multi-piece kit. If you didn't know a lot about the Corvettes, the way the exhaust goes in over the transaxle, you need like 3 feet of clearance to pull the exhaust out of the car. So what you'll see me do tomorrow is I'm gonna have to cut my stock exhaust in half to be able to get it out of the car because I don't have access to a lift and I really don't want to wait until I could have access to a lift. So I really want to get this exhaust in. So let's skip to tomorrow. Let's get these in. I'm so thrilled. I wish I could do it tonight. I just don't have the time. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next day.
What is up, everybody? It's day 2 of the process. Today we're gonna be installing the exhaust. I have about an hour and a half of daylight, so hopefully I can get it done. We're gonna see. I'm gonna walk you guys through the process as I'm doing it. Since I don't have a lot of time, I'm just gonna time lapse this. The install is pretty simple. It's, you know, you remove the hangers and you remove the sway bar has to move out of the way. Once the sway bar's out, the flange bolts come off and then the exhaust comes out. So it shouldn't be too difficult. Here's the exhaust again. Yeah, let's do it. All right, so the GoPro, as you can tell, died about halfway through that. That really put me to work. I thought I could do it sooner than I did. I had the exhaust off pretty quick, but the hard part, what I didn't know, was be getting it back on. There's not a problem with the kit itself. The problem I have is I already have a full aftermarket exhaust all the way back that has to be cut at a spot. So to get the alignment perfect, I didn't have it from my cut that I had to make on my X pipe. So yeah, other than that, I'm super happy with it. It looks great. I think it really freshened up the rear end of this car a lot. I'm gonna finish this up in the morning. I'm exhausted. I'll see you in the morning. Peace.
The next day.
Welcome to day 3 of the video. As you saw yesterday, we got the exhaust finished up. It looks fantastic. I think the tips look really good. But more importantly, it sounds so good. I got to drive it probably 20 minutes on my way home last night. No drone, nothing. This thing is so good. The sound note right at about 3,000 RPMs is just perfect. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start it up, do a cold start for you guys. I haven't even heard a cold start yet, so I'm excited to hear it. And then we'll go from there. So here is a cold start. All right, so So that's the exhaust. It sounds so good, the really deep sound. You kind of feel it in your chest when you're standing behind it, which I really like. It's going to get some attention and definitely put a smile on your face. Thank you guys so much for watching. Huge thanks to Holly for sending this exhaust out today. Well, I guess over the past 3 days that it took me to get this thing done. The next video is going to be the cam install. It's already installed clearly, but I'm in a break-in period, so I can't really get on it too hard, and I want to get some wide open throttle footage for that video. So stay tuned for that. Should be out in a couple weeks, I think. I only need about 150 more miles, and then I'll be good to go. So thank you guys for watching again. We'll see you next time.